Get ready to meet Teodor Kabakchiev, a name that resonates with power and precision in the heart-pounding world of enduro. Born on March 16, 1998, Teodor isn't just a motorcycle rider, he's a phenomenon. His career is a relentless ascent to greatness, marked by a series of jaw-dropping victories. He's conquered the Junior FM Super Enduro World Championship, dominated the Spanish Hard Enduro Championship, seized the BMU European Championship, and clinched the Bulgarian Enduro Championship multiple times. Born in Gabrovo, Bulgaria, Teodor Kabakchiev received his first bike at the tender age of 4, a birthday gift that ignited his passion for racing. Starting his racing journey at a very young age, Teodor quickly set his sights on an international career, becoming a rising star in the world of enduro. After making a name for himself in the enduro world, Teodor Kabakchiev caught the attention of none other than enduro legend Graham Jarvis. Joining the prestigious Graham Jarvis team was a pivotal moment in Teodor's career, marking a new chapter in his journey to the top. After parting ways with the Graham Jarvis Racing Team, Teodor Kabakchiev has taken the next significant step in his career by joining the Sherco Factory Racing Team. Stepping into the shoes of the departed Wade Young, Teodor has teamed up with the enduro star Mario Román. This transition marks an exciting new chapter in his journey, and we'll explore how this change is shaping Teodor's path to the top of the enduro world.
Whoa!
Since joining Sherco, Teodor has dedicated countless hours to training and honing his skills. He's known for his rigorous training regimen, often pushing himself to the limit to improve his endurance, agility, and technical abilities. His relentless dedication and hard work have paid off as he continues to push the boundaries of the sport and evolve his techniques and strategies. Now a key member of the Sherco Factory Racing Team, Teodor's partnership with the team and his distinctive riding style are shaping an exciting new chapter in his journey. Teodor Kabakchiev possesses a towering presence on the track. His tall stature not only gives him a commanding presence, but also provides a unique advantage to his riding style. Teodor uses his height to leverage the bike with exceptional control, allowing him to navigate the most challenging terrains with precision and speed. Teodor is known for his aggressive riding style, which sets him apart from the rest. He attacks the track with relentless determination, pushing the limits of both man and machine. His impeccable technical skills and fearless approach make him a formidable competitor in the world of enduro, consistently challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of the sport. This combination of height, skill, and aggressive riding style has made Teodor Kabakchiev a rising star in the enduro world.